Hey everybody, Missybeelondon here with another hairstyle video. My hair is out, already moisturized with products and all that stuff already. Got a hairband and I'm gonna put it in my hair. Nope, I'm going to section off the front of my hair, or the front perimeter of my hair. Like I said before, it's always weird talking over a video that you've done however long ago you've done, and now you got to talk about what you're seeing again. It's like it's not me, but it is me that I'm watching. Very weird anyway. But yeah, I just used my hands here to part out the line that I wanted. Simple as. Sometimes it's not about having straight lines, it's all about creating that hairstyle. It doesn't have to be a straight line. So there you go. Just being a bit picky at the front, but yeah. And then I've got a hairband or that little section to keep it out of the way. And then I put a hairband on the rest of my hair to keep that out of the way as well. As you can see, my hair is afro, 4C texture. It is not shoulder length. It is maybe head length. It's not that long, and because it's more afro, you can't even see the real length unless I really stretch it out. But yeah, I'm just taking that, putting away that bit. Yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to be creative with this hair video, so you just see me doing this random hairstyle. But I thought, you know what, let me just put this camera on and see what I do. And this is how creativity happens as well. So let me just roll with it. See, I'm just watching. Oh, sorry, I'll keep on doing these little quiet moments because I'm really watching the video as well. And now you see me take out a little section from the front bit that I had. And guess what I'm going to do with it? It could either be a twist or a plait. Which one do you think it will be? Guess what? It's a twist. There you go. So I guess you gathered now that I will just be having that little middle section. It will just be flat twists. Not flat twists, sorry. It will be twists. Little twists for that little bit. I keep on saying twist here. How much time have I said the word twist already? I don't know. I've lost count already. But anyway, as you see, I'm just twisting it out. See, look, you can see the length of my hair now when I'm twisting it out. But when it's out in normal state, it's like you can't even tell how long it is. Yes, I'm being a little bit vain because I want to show my hair has length. And yes, I know my hair is healthy, but I want to show the length as well. And I apologize for this fire alarm in my house going off every minute. It seems to be the time that I'm recording. It wants to make a lot of noise. When I'm not recording, it wants to be quiet. So who knows what's going on right now. But I apologize for that beep sound. So let me just continue doing twists on that section of hair. I didn't use a comb yet. I just, gathered a little bit of hair, did a little twist to it. Because like I said, it's not always about neatness and everything. It still looks good if you don't use a comb. Oh, that's a good catchphrase as well, isn't it? Catchphrase. But yeah, I'm just taking away this little bit because it's getting in the way, so I just had to put it in the hairband. But let me continue doing twists to this section. I mean, my texture of my hair has changed from since last year. Like I said, whether I said it recently or not, I'll say it again. But it's changed. It's like I've got to readjust to this new hair on my head, so to say. I'm guessing the products that I'm using in my hair is good. I wouldn't say my diet is good because it's not that good. It's beeped again. I do drink water, or I do try to drink a lot of water. But I just think it's products that I'm using in my head, a lot of natural products I'm using. And I guess I'll talk about that in another video, or I'll have a blog post to show you what I've been using in my head and what I use in my head as well. But yeah, as you see, I'm continuing to do more twists in a section. You see how I stretched out the hair when it's twisted, yeah? And when you finish the twist, it just reverts back to coiliness, like shrinkage, you just hit the hair or something like that. It's lost the length already, but you know what? So be it. Natural hair it is. That's what you got to deal with when you got natural hair anyway. But anyway, how's everybody doing? What's happening? I hope you're enjoying my hair videos. I know it's been a long time, but I'm guessing if you are one of my faithful subscribers, you know what I've been going through, work and everything, and how my videos have been erratic. And because I've changed my work career, so to say, now I'm trying to bring back doing hair videos. So yeah, life sometimes, I'm telling you, it's really hard to, what is it, that word, when you've got to work and you've got to have time to do social media. But if you're working long hours, 6 days a week, it just not happening, so to say. So like I said, I just got more free time, and I just thought on this video here, you know what, let's be creative with my hair and see what happens. And this is what I did. Should I talk over all of this video? Yeah, because it's like more than 10 minutes. What else can I say? Natural hair tips, remedies, I know stuff, but I'll talk about that in another video. You see my hair, yeah, it's healthy. That's all I can say. Length, I want to have more length, but you know what? It's a progress. Oh yeah, my edges are getting better now. Now I don't watch my edges. Like, you know when you watch something, it never grows. I'm noticing now the front of my hair is getting better than how it was last year. So you know what? I've got to keep doing what I'm doing because it must be good. So that's a good thing as well. But yeah, I must admit, you know what, in last year I should have done more like hair length videos, so to say, but so be it. Sometimes you can see the length of my hair when I do certain hairstyles anyway, so I just take it like that. And right now you can't tell the length anyway of it when it's in natural state because of the coiliness and the curliness of the hair, because it's not straight. So let me just leave that for now. Another time, another day. See, that is long, ain't it? You see, look at that, that is long. Hey, you wouldn't think that, innit, of my short hair on my head, yeah, but that twist was long. But yeah, listen to me getting all yeah, I can't help that, yeah. Anyway, and this video is normal speed as well, because I'm guessing sometimes people want to see videos in normal speed and not just sped up as well. I'll try my best to keep them short, but I just gotta see how they go, yeah, because sometimes I guess I'm gonna have to speed up videos just to get all the bits and pieces in it. But this one only took like 10 minutes or so. I don't know, because normal twist is easy to do anyway. So yeah, that's what I did. Nearly finished it as well, I think. But yeah, if you made it this far, thank you. Give me say what's up in the comments. What's up, Missybeelondon? Yeah, I don't know why I just did that. Like I said, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, if you want to see more hair videos or ask me to do more hair videos, you know what you gotta do. Press the red button and press the bell icon next to it as well, so you get notified when I do have more videos, which will be hopefully more hair videos and beauty videos and review videos, and I drop in a little few vlogs as well and a little bit of humor videos as well. But hey, that is just me anyway. If I ain't said it, I've said it again, or I've said it, or I've said it again, I don't even know. But yeah, thanks for watching anyway. Oh yeah, and guess what as well? You know you're recording your hair things and you forget one thing and it's in the next room. So I had to step out and get the hairpins because I forgot hairpins. Typical, because I wasn't thinking I would need them in this hairstyle, but like I said, it was a random hairstyle. So yeah, got the hairpins, and now I'm gonna put the hairpin in my hair to lay down the twist to stretch it out a little bit as well. So yeah, we're at the end of this video, and thank you for watching again. And you know what? Stay in store, be in store. I've forgotten that word. Yeah, see you next time. Bye. See ya.